Hello guys, it is Ishtvan again. Today I will speak about the opening date. Until now I used only the income or expense transaction type. At these transactions the closing date has no value. So the opening date only means the date when the transaction happens. Later I will use instrument buy transactions when the opening date means the buying date and the closing date means the selling date. Now I would like to talk about the difference between the opening date and the original opening date. August 5 was very busy. 5 transactions happened at that day. Unfortunately, when you look at your history in your internet bank, you see only the date but not the time of the transactions. Moreover, the transaction order in the internet bank history may not reflect the actual order of the transactions. It is up to you to set the proper order. The opening date is the original opening date plus some seconds. This slight shift makes opening date unique for an account, so the ordering of the transactions will be clear. Let us duplicate the last transaction. Notice that the original opening date is the same as before, but the opening date is recalculated. The first free time slot is used. A time slot is 1 second long. Let's delete the last transaction. How can we reorder the transactions? The Reset Opening Date button set opening date to the original opening date. Use this button for transaction 4 and 5. Press the Check Opening Date button. ERC warns me that 3 opening date is the same for account 10. Let's correct this. Select transaction 5 and press the Recalculate Opening Date button and the first free time slot is set. Select transaction 4 and press the Recalculate Opening Date button again and do this for transaction 3 as well. Press the Check Opening Date button again and notice that there is no problem now. Notice also that the USD column is calculated based on the opening date. First, the 47 dollar is deducted, which belongs to 1 second. Then the 38, which belongs to 2 seconds, and so on. To make this clear, order the table according to the opening date. But usually it is useful to use ID-based ordering, so go back to it and set the opening date column as it was originally. Select transaction 4 and 5 and press the Swap Rows button. Another method to change the row order is the Reorder Rows button. Select transactions 7, 6 and 5 in this order and press this button. Now the opening date order and the ID order does not yet match. So select any of transactions 2 to 7 and press the ID-based opening date recalculation button. Be cautious with changing the row order if buying transactions are involved, but this is not the case now. That is for today. Thank you for your attention.